If we look at that data we had previously, because a lot of our AI algorithms and things are based on data that's come out of manufacturing, I'm going to say we have a biased data set. We have a data set that is biased to success. When you're in manufacturing, you control everything so tightly that 99% of the time, everything works. So all of our data is biased towards success. We don't include data sets of things that have gone horrendously wrong, and data from other types of experiments that are in that thing. So we can broaden that data set out. We can have a wider ranging data set. And this is for, we're in Europe at the moment. This is increasingly important in Europe because the EU at the moment are writing kind of the world's first regulations around the use of AI. And this has came out really because data sets that we use to train our models traditionally are all biased.